Been a while since the last barbecue. This is a cute spot too. I love the rock work. Look at this, guys. Little rockway. It's all twisty and turny. Very cute. Well, let's see what we got. Usually like to go around the outside first. Keep out, mold police are watching. They got that buttoned up good. Always loved the birds. One of the reasons why I like to come alone is so that there's nobody in the background farting. Nobody. Wow. Yeah. All of this TV stuff and every bit of it was very expensive, and it's all obsolete. Oregano. I'll bet that's what it is. That's what it looks like. Let's see. Oh, it's been beaten off of there, but yeah. Ah, it's not just oregano, it's Italian seasoning. Ooh. Let's see. No. Somebody. Oh, look at that puppy. Somebody's lost a really nice photo book. Oh my. Man, it's been a while. That's been there for a minute. You can see how well the sun and dry, arid weather protect things and preserve them, because that's a photo album with Polaroids, and you know, they don't hold up very well. But the conditions are perfect to preserve them out here on the ground. Memories. Somebody's life. Let's go in, shall we? Reminds me of Planes, Trains, and Automobiles, where he was a curtain ring salesman. Shower curtains. I don't know if we're going to be able to get in this one, guys. It's buttoned up really well. This is just a closet, not an entrance. A little water meter thing to sprinkle your sprinkler. This lawn ain't been watered in a while. It's really unfortunate. I was hoping to be able to get in this one. It's really, A nice find. Square. Circle. Oh yeah. Here's an anti-Q. Oh, just fell apart in my hand. Let's see. You ready for this, guys? Let's see. I love it. Now the sun will kill it because it's plastic. Can I see it? Kool-Aid! I love that. Oh, baby shoes. Never like to see those. But they're shoes nonetheless. Always shoes. That was pointed out to me in another Urbexing's video. That there's always shoes. And he's right. This is an oldie moldy. Is it accessible? Locked up tighter than the drum. Very cute though. Oh, wait a minute. It's open. Nice little trailer. Oh. There's glass in those doors. It was cleaned out really well. Wow, it's been closed for a minute. But look at that. Nice box of Arm & Hammer. It actually doesn't even smell in that icebox. It's no smell at all. So that Arm & Hammer kicking ass. Taking names. Let's make sure there's no Black Widows over here. Black Widows are, that's what's scary to me. Black Widows. I want to get bit by one of those. Oh, it's a fiasco to get in there. Anybody home? Oh, no. Nobody home. Some old dry flowers. I don't know if I'm going to get this door open or not. We did. Well, this is 2-bedroom trailer. It's got a little pocket door. Oh, nice. I don't really want to step on this mattress because I'm in flip-flops. But yeah, this is a bit. I'm going. I can't not go. I hope there's not a critter under there. Come out and bite me on my ankle. Oh, how cute. Let's see. This is, okay, not a door here, it's a door there. And again, this trailer, because of its age, is solid as a rock and all built of real wood. Not like the crap that you sell for $1 million these days. It's all made of crap. Let's see. I may not be perfect, but parts of me are excellent. That's so cute. Beautiful little lacy curtain. Hanging in a window that'll never be. It's got a bed. And of course, shoes. Anything in it? Lots of dust. Oh yeah, you can see the rats. They love those mattresses. So I'm really careful with mattresses too. Well, you know, it's like the perfect place to live if you're a rat. Right? What do we got here? Well, somebody, it's a female, like the bottle. Good golly, Miss Miley, sure likes the bowl. And she won. Oh, the birdies sure love these places. And that pretty little nest up there. There we go. Another cute little trailer, vintage, left out here to do what the desert does. That little trailer is totally rehabable. Yep, we're locked up pretty good over here. So, this is it. I couldn't get in. Well, I didn't try both of the front doors, just one. So for shits and giggles, what do you say? Let me see. Oh, it's this way. This is the way. This is the way. Trying to set up a shot here, guys. You know, I'm new. Go ahead. Photo bomb. Oh. No. Oh well. That was negative. So on to the next.